Hi, Olivia. How are you?
Hi, David. I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. What are you doing here? Are you busy?
I'm not busy. I'm just walking around here.
Oh, good. Can I ask you a few questions? I need that for my assignment.
Of course. So, what do you want asked to me?
All right. So, we'll start with the first question. How are you?
I'm doing well.
What's your name?
My name is Olivia.
How old are you?
I'm 30 years old.
Where are you from?
I'm from the US.
Where are you born?
I was born in Chicago.
Where do you live?
I live in California.
Are you single?
No, I'm not.
Are you married?
No, I'm not.
Do you have any children?
No, I don't.
What do you do?
I'm an English teacher.
Do you have any siblings?
I have some brothers and sisters.
What's your hobby?
I like shopping.
Are you happy?
Yes, I'm.
What's your favorite color?
I like white and blue.
What did you eat for breakfast today?
I had fried chicken.
What's your blood type?
My blood is A.
What's the last book you've read?
The last book I read was called Good Woman.
What's the last movie you've seen?
The last movie I've seen is King of the Rings.
What time do you usually get up?
I usually get up around 6.
Do you exercise?
Yes, I do.
What time do you usually go to bed?
I usually go to bed around 10.
How often do you drink alcohol?
I drink about once a week.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite is spaghetti.
What's your favorite drink?
I like soda.
What was your major in university?
I studied psychology and behavior.
How many languages do you speak?
I can speak 4 languages.
How was the weather today?
It's nice and sunny.
Can you cook?
Yes, I can.
What are you going to do today?
I'm going to meet a friend.
What are you doing now?
I'm talking to you.
Where would you like to travel next?
I'd like to see Vietnam.
What did you do last night?
I ate dinner with my boyfriend.
What are you going to do tomorrow?
Tomorrow? I'm working.
What sports can you play?
I can play bowling and badminton.
Can you do me a favor?
Sure.
Could you lend me $1,000?
I don't have $1,000.
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling well.
Are you tired?
A little bit.
Are you hungry?
No, I'm not.
Do you like me?
Yes, I do.
Do you love me?
Not in that way.
Have you ever gone bungee jumping?
No, I haven't.
Could we have lunch together one day?
Sounds good.
Have you been to France?
No, I haven't.
How do you get to work?
I drive.
How long does it take?
About 20 minutes.
How often do you ride the truck?
I never ride the truck.
Are you sick?
No, I'm not.
Are you on any sort of medication?
No, I'm not.
Do you prefer ice cream or cake?
I like cake.
Do you have a credit card?
Yes. I do.
Do you prefer traveling by car, train, or plane?
I like traveling by car.
Do you prefer traveling alone or joining a guided tour?
I prefer traveling alone.
Can you play tennis?
No, I don't.
Are you rich?
Yes, I am.
Do you like to use social media?
Yes, I do.
Do you agree that money is the root of all evil?
In some cases, yes.
Are you an optimist or a pessimist?
I'm definitely an optimist.
Are you afraid of needles?
No, I'm not.
Is it okay for men to cry?
Definitely.
Are you a romantic person?
Yes, I am.
What gets you really angry?
Mean people make me angry.
Who's your favorite celebrity?
I really like Michael Jackson.
Are you a pet lover?
Yes, I am.
Do you prefer cats or dogs?
I like dogs.
What is your favorite song?
I don't have a favorite song.
Do you have any phobias?
I'm afraid of heights.
Are men better than women?
Definitely not.
What are your strengths?
I think I'm kind and funny.
Who do you admire the most?
I really admire Bruce Lee.
Are you a vegan?
No, I am not.
Do you sing well?
Yes, I do.
Can you dance?
Yes, I can.
How many pillows do you sleep with?
I sleep with 2 pillows.
What's your favorite holiday?
I like Halloween and Christmas.
Are you a clean or messy person?
I'm a clean person.
Do you collect anything?
I collect books.
Are you an introvert or an extrovert?
I'm an introvert.
What was your first job?
I was a salesperson at a department store.
Are you a morning person or a night owl?
I'm a morning person.
If you could live anywhere, where would it be?
I'd like to live in Vietnam or a tropical country.
What is your proudest accomplishment?
I'm proud of graduating from grad school.
What makes a happy marriage?
Faith and love.
Do you get bored easily?
No, I don't.
What subjects were you good at in high school?
I was good at English.
Do you have a master's degree?
Yes, I do.
In which field?
School counseling and marriage.
Are you a genius?
No, I'm not.
Do you have a good memory or a bad memory?
I have a good memory.
Have you ever been on a blind date?
Yes, I have.
How many hours of sleep do you generally need per night?
I need about 9 hours per night.
Are you addicted to anything?
I'm addicted to online shopping.
How often do you eat fast food?
I eat fast food about once a week.
How often do you brush your teeth?
Twice a day.
Do you snore?
Only when I'm very tired.
Are you friendly?
Yes, I am.
What's your favorite fruit?
I like bananas and strawberries.
Do you like noodles?
Yes, I do.
What's the best way to study English?
Practice speaking and listening.
Do you like being asked questions?
It's okay.
That's all for today. I hope you liked this video. I hope this video will help improve your English listening skills. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. See you again in the next videos.